Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Unlike a traditional lease, in which the landlord is typically responsible for making all repairs, rent-to-own tenants usually repair the rental property at their own expense. Many landlords and tenants consider this a fair bargain since, presumably, the tenant will eventually own the home.
Let's help you make your mark.
Disadvantages for sellers: sellers cannot go straight to market, and must spend time vetting and selecting a good tenant. With an option to purchase agreement, tenants can terminate the contract at any time, meaning the seller must repeat the process of finding another tenant.
Let's help you make your mark.
Unfortunately, the downfall is that you can't easily change your mind. If you decide you no longer want the home, you'll likely lose the money you paid to enter into the agreement. However, under certain circumstances, it's possible to get out of the contract.
Let's help you make your mark.
One such specialty portal that can help you find quality leads for rent-to-own homes is foreclosure.com. They have thousands of listings where the seller is willing to enter a rent-to-own agreement with the buyer, and you can browse by state and even by county.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Rent-to-own allows buyers with no credit, bad credit or little money for a down payment to enter into a purchase contract. The rent-to-own option allows the buyer to establish a steady payment history, accrue a down payment and gain equity in the home if the value rises above the contract purchase price.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A rent-to-own might be your best option if your credit score is not high enough to qualify for a conventional loan or you don't have a large enough down payment to qualify for the loan. Most rent-to-own contracts have a date on which you must switch from renting to buying the house.
Let's help you make your mark.
The rent-to-own setup is vulnerable to scams and shady landlords. As the tenant, you take on most of the risk in a rent-to-own contract. You're the one paying more than necessary in rent each month with the promise that the owner will credit the amount toward the purchase price someday.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.